To fix this problem, what you have to do is to tap on the app for some while, tap on the app info, then after that, what you have to do when you get to the app info is to tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, and tap on a clear cache. After that, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure this background data is turned on. After that, tap on permissions and make sure you allow every permission over here. Now go back and tap on notification and make sure the show notification is turned on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go back and go to your phone menu again. Now what you have to do is to search for your phone settings. So when you tap on the settings, what you have to do is to tap on network and internet. After tapping on it, tap on mobile network, then you tap on the network you are using. After selecting your network, what you have to do is to scroll down, tap on advanced, and now what you have to do is to tap on preferred network type and make sure you choose 4G, 3G, 2G or 2. After selecting this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to tap on update. So when you tap on update over here, you are going to get the latest updates of this app. So when you get the latest update of this app, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or tap on reboot. When you are using a different device, maybe you might see reboot. When you are seeing reboot or restart, it's all the same. Just tap on it and restart your phone or reboot your phone, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.